Hi, I'm Neely Nathan. I have a website and a TV show, Great Healing Getaways, where I write, research, and report on topics of holistic health. I'm very happy to show you some homemade facials today. And I want to talk about facial spritzers. I've been showing you how to make a couple, and I want to give you the basic guidelines. Remember to always use distilled water. So if you start off with 4 ounces of distilled water in a spray bottle, then you would add 8 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Remember to use 100% pure essential oil. Don't use synthetics. And check the label to make sure that it is pure essential oil. If it's organic, that's even better. You can find essential oils in a health food store or online. And then just remember that you want to shake your formula before each use when you make a spritzer, because the oils don't always dissolve all the way. And that's it. Have fun and experiment. And I'm sure that you will want to try this with your friends too.